All right, what's going on, guys? I'm going to go over your review. This is going to be a quiz grade, and also the quizzes that I'm going to give you the code to at the end of this video is also going to be a quiz grade, okay? So if you don't get to finish, guess what? It is homework. All right, so I'm going to go over a few things. So again, this is SlopeMan. All right. So if once you see this, remember you're supposed to put the plus, minus, the undefined, and then the dimples. Right? And then also I want you to remember a couple things. So hoi vux. If you have a horizontal line, that means it has zero slope. And the equation is going to be y equals the y value. If you have a vertical line, that means it's undefined slope. And the equation is going to be x equals the x value. Okay. A few things. Your slope formula, m equals y2 over x2 minus, and then y1 over x1. And then you plug this into your point slope formula, y minus y1. Let's make the slope orange. Is equal to m times the quantity of x minus x1. And then you can change all of that up to where it is into slope-intercept form, where it's y equals m x plus b, where b is your y-intercept and m is the slope. Okay. What else? And remember standard form equations. This is a standard form equation is equal to C. Your slope from this, or this should be orange. And actually these are all different. This is, let's make that A. Let's make that blue. So I just should have just done this in black, but okay. So my slope from a standard form equation is going to be the opposite of A, so negative A divided by B. Okay, so this is the stuff you should be writing down on the top section or somewhere. All right, so let's look at number 1 or number 2, whatever. So what is the equation of a line with an undefined slope that goes through the point negative 3, 5? So undefined slope is a vertical line, and so it's x equals the x value. So it's going to be x equals your x value there. All right, so go ahead and choose their answer, and let's go to the next problem. All right, number 3. What is the slope of the line that passes through the point x 5, negative 11, and negative 9, 17? So you have your x1, comma y1, and your x2, comma y2. So in your slope equation, whenever you set it up, it's y2 over x2 and y1 over x1. So that is m equals y, so 17 over negative 9 and negative 11 over 5. These two negatives turn into a positive, so it's 17 plus 11 divided by negative 9 minus 5. So go ahead and figure that out and choose your answer, and let's go on to the next one. All right, number 4. What is the slope of the line represented by 5x minus 12y equals 24? So remember, ax plus by equals c. And your slope is m equals negative a over b. So here my a is 5, so it would be negative 5 over b, which is negative 12. So negative 5 over negative 12. Negative divided by a negative is a positive, so go ahead and choose your answer. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, number 5. What is the slope of the line that passes through the points 26, 7 and 39, 12? So again, slope formula, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is x2 and y2. This is x1 and y1. So 7, nope. Let's do 2. So 12 over negative 39 and 7 over 26. All right. And then go ahead and do that math. And I will be waiting for you, and then go on to the next one. All right. Number 6. The value of y varies directly with x. If x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 21. What is the value of x when y is equal to 105? All right, so this one is whenever we set up our proportion of y2 or y1 over x1 and y2 over x2. Okay, so basically, I know that when x is 3, y is 21, so 21 over 3. And then I want to figure out what x is when y is equal to 105. Okay. So I'm trying to figure out this x. So again, you want to cross multiply 21 times x and 3 times 105. Or, again, remember, I know what 21 divided by 3 is. That's going to be what? 7? So 7 is equal to 105 over x, right? I'm solving for x, so this is going to be 7 over 1. So now I can cross multiply, and so this is going to be 7x is equal to 105. I can now divide by 7, and so x is equal to, you do this math right here. Okay? Let's go to the next one. So same thing, y2 over y1, y1 over x1, and y is equal to y2 over x2. So y1 over x1 is equal to y2 over x2. Okay, so here I know that when x is 140, y is equal to 35. So 35 over 140 is equal to y and 70. So here you can cross multiply. So 140y is equal to 35 times 70. I want to solve for y, so I'm going to divide both sides by 140. So y is equal to this right here, and go ahead and do that math. And you're going to fill in the blank for that one. And then last, what is the equation in slope-intercept form of the line that passes through the points negative 447 and 2, negative 16? So here you're going to do a couple things. So I'm going to do the slope formula. So y2, let's make this 0.2 and this 0.1. So 0.2 is negative 16 over 2, and 0.1 is 47 over negative 4. So if I do this math, 16 minus 47 is negative 31. And 2 minus negative 4, that's positive 6. Okay. Can I reduce this? Oh, I did that wrong. Negative 31 is not true. It's negative 16 minus 47. So that's negative 63. I was wondering. So negative 63. I can reduce that by dividing the top and the bottom by 3. Right, top by 3, bottom by 3. So negative 63 divided by 3 is negative 21. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So automatically I can get rid of B and D. So it's either A or C. And then I'm going to plug this into my point slope formula. And that's y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Okay. So that's basically going to be y minus y1, which is 47, is equal to negative 21 over 2 times x minus negative 4, but the two negatives become positive 4. Okay. And so if I distribute this, right, because these are in slope-intercept, so it's y minus 47 equals negative 21 over 2x. And then negative 21 over 2 times 4, if you do that, that's negative 42. And then my last step was just to add that 47. And then negative 42 plus 47 is obviously not going to be this. So C would be your answer. So go ahead and choose that. And that's your review. Okay. So your quiz is going to be on joinmyquiz.com. That's your code right there. You have to do that. Obviously, if you don't get to finish, you get to do that for homework. Other than that, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me on Remind. It's up on the board. Other than that, you have a nice day, and I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget your test is on Friday. All right? Have a good one.